with
Anthony Lucifera.
and we're going to be going over how to add an event to the calendar. So first you log in at usgbcma.org/user, right? And then if you were logged in, it'll present like this. Add your credentials, hit login, and then you're going to see this welcome screen. Click Civi, CRM, and then watch this top banner change. And then you'll see events. So you can click events, choose either new event if you're adding a new event, or manage events if you are going to search for an old event and modify it. In this case, we'll add a new event, so we'll click this. And then all I need to do is our event type. You can choose meeting for any event. Participant role is always attendee. Then event title can be whatever you want. The summary is optional because it will present anything within the description. So you can write anything in that box. The start date and end date is the same date. And then the time is a little bit tedious because you click it once and then you use the up and down arrows to find the time. So if you want to do something from 1 to 2, just modify these times. And then you click Save. If you choose to use an existing location, you can choose one from this list. If not, you can add the information here. We'll use one that we've already used before, and this is the auto-loaded information. Hit Save at each frame. For fees, hit Paid Event. Hit the USGBC Live, which allows us to bill through PayPal. Financial type is event fee. And then we usually choose chapter members, non-chapter members with a pricing differential. Once again, hit Save. And then for online registration, choose this to enable the registration. You can enable it to start today. And then the end date, I usually choose 1 day after the event takes place. The time is optional since the start time is usually before communication even goes out about the event. And since the end date is usually a day after the event, the time also doesn't matter. So you can leave it blank or you can choose a random time. Always choose name, email, and company at the top of the page. And then send confirmation email. This is a really helpful email because this will send all of the information to the person who registers in a table in an email. But you're still going to have to choose who it comes from and the email that it comes from. If you have someone else who's running the event, say it's a coworker or maybe a volunteer who's presenting, feel free to add their name here in this CC or BCC column. They'll get a copy of the same emails that go out to people who RSVP. Once again, hit Save. You've now successfully made an event. If you choose to make an event with pictures, feel free to use the add a picture or add a table or any of these functions here to build a more robust event. If you go to event info, we can see the event that we built. So it's a test event. Here's our description. Here's when it is. Here's the location. And because we put in the time to close for today, it's closed. So we could even change that if we want to go and hit this little wrench, online registration. have it open yesterday, close tomorrow, save, and then open up. All right. All right. Usually takes a minute for changes to identify on the listing. So this should be up and running in a couple of minutes. Thanks a lot for watching this segment.